Hey everyone, it's Ed with Get Out Be Happy. It's been a few weeks since I've been able to do any work on the runaway. Work has been extremely busy for me, and luckily I've been able to do some work the past couple days. So I want to show you what I've been doing. So, got a 11-pound propane mount installed. Finished with the rear lights. Got those all wired up and in. And I've put in the drain panels from IKEA that I'd shown in a previous video. And these are all screwed down. Just use number 10 3/4 inch screws. Put one in each corner of each panel to lock them in. So hopefully this will give me adequate airflow underneath, but I think it will. I've also finished the box over here, so let me show you that. So the front here is where our little toilet will be. It's the Reliance toilet. Really, we'll only be using this in a boondocking environment. We'll be using bags. Campgrounds, we won't be using it. And then back here is a nice big storage. Keep camp chairs. I have a table back there, some propane hoses, little broom. So just some random supplies. I'm going to be putting up a back panel still, and clean up those wires. So that's still in the plan. I'm going to try and get that done. So here I want to show you how the bed folds up. And so you'll notice I have a strap here, and then I have a strap back here that I've made into a loop. So this just lifts up out of the way. I'm probably going to put some sort of a clasp or latch back here to hold this up so it doesn't fall while I'm doing this process. Then here we have the two locks. Push that back just a little bit. Grab this strap, lift up, and then we open up this area here. And then we also have a nice area for my wife and I to sit. So we will be cutting down the, we have a 5-inch mattress that we'll be cutting down and installing on this. This to here will be one piece, and then we'll be having 2 other pieces on the head section. So we have the 5-inch memory foam mattress all cut down to the sizes that we need, and we have it installed. The one thing that I did not take into account is bending this. I thought it was going to bend a little bit easier, and my wife came up with the idea to put a little slit on the back side of it for relief, which we did. We cut about half of the backside and about halfway through the gray that you see, and that made a big difference. So extremely comfortable. I'll be honest, I was a little worried about my headroom, but I have just enough. And then we have a few pieces of scrap here, which my wife is going to upholster along with the head pieces, which is nice because while we're sitting back, if we're gonna have a little TV, probably won't watch it much, but if we do, heavy rainstorm or something, nice little headrest. So I'm going to show you setting it up, and hopefully this goes well. So we'll move these little headrest pieces. And then I will unlock. support the back end. Let this come down. Just like that, we have the bed. And I'm really excited about it. We go on our first trip in 2 weeks. And my wife is going to cover the foam. Still have some work to do, as I mentioned earlier, with the back wall, and we're putting shelving up front, but we'll be ready. So hey, this is Ed with Get Out Be Happy, and just remember, live outside the box.